Where to find digital code on Amazon. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you where you can find digital code on Amazon on your phone. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if this tutorial helps you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to get notified whenever we post new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. The thing is that you can find digital code in the Amazon app. You have to use the Amazon web version. To use the web version, open any browser and go to the Amazon website. If it redirects you to the app, uninstall the app. You can reinstall it later. After you have uninstalled the app, open amazon.com and sign in. Then tap on these three dots, check the desktop site. Zoom in and tap on Accounts and Lists drop-down arrow. Then tap on your account. In the Digital Content and Devices section, tap on Content and Devices. If you can't find the digital codes you were looking for, you can use these filter options. Or you can also use this search option. If you still can't find the digital code of the product you were looking for here, go back, tap on digital gifts you have received. Try to find it here, and you can also take the help of these filters. I haven't ordered any digital products yet, that's why it says no results found. So this is how you can find digital codes on Amazon.